Okay, students, we already read the poem Crying and some question answer. In this poem, poet said that we should cry a lot. Okay, uh, crying only a little bit is no use. So we should cry a lot that our feelings go away and we can be happy again after crying. After crying, go to the bath. Okay, go to the bath, and after bath open the window and show people that we are happy. Okay, I hope you understood the poem. Let's move on to question answer. We already discussed about the question answer of let's read. Today we are discussed about let's talk. Our first question is, where do you cry? What are the things that make you cry? You need to answer this question according to your own point of view, because the answer can be different for each child, and some child likes to cry alone and some others in front of everyone. Mostly all the children likes to cry in front of everyone so that their demands are quickly accepted. Okay, so you can write your own point of view. Where do you cry? Answer can maybe in my bedroom, alone, maybe bathroom. Okay, and what are the things that make you cry? When you are hurt, okay, when you are hurted, and when you are fighting with your friends, with your sister, brother. Okay, answer may be different for different people. Okay, here you can see the another answer. Where do you cry? I cry before my mother. And what are the things that make you cry? I cry when my sister disturb me, or when I fall down and get hurt. Okay, let's move on the second question. Can you cry when you are happy? So again, it can be different for different people. I'm just write a general answer here that no, not at all. Okay, one cannot cry when they are happy, but in some other cases, when we are really happy, some tears come out from our eyes. So it can be different for different people. Next question. Which are the things that make you happy? In what way do you show your happiness? Which are the things that make you happy? Answer is attending parties and purchasing new dresses make me happy. In what way do you show your happiness? I show my happiness by laughing loudly and jumping on my bed. And you can write also which are the things that make you happy. Eating good food, your favorite food, okay, and playing with your friends, with your sister, brother makes me happy. And in what way do you show your happiness? Smiling, with smiling face, laughing, okay. All three questions, okay, all these three questions are very general. The answer can be different for everyone, so you can change your answer according to what you feel and what to do. Next is word building. The word happiness ends in ness, that is NESS, and comes from the word happy. Write three words that end in the same way. Which words do they come from? Okay. So we need to write three words that end in the same way, that is the end with the word ness, NESS. And we need to write the word which form they come from. In happiness we can see, that happiness has ness in the ending, okay. You can see ness in the ending, and word words come from happy, okay, and ending with NESS. So here we will write three words that end in the same way. First can be clever, means cleverness. Clever, NESS, cleverness, and word come from clever, okay. Next is NEAT, neat, NESS, neatness, and word come from neat. And next UGLI, ugliness, and word come from UGLY, okay. So these words having ending with ness. We done with the word building part. I hope you all students have understood this which I taught today. So thank you so much.